Body was found with a clear liquid pooled around his face.
We later on identified it as a murder weapon.
We then identified the murder weapon as calcium chloride by combining potential murder weapons with each other, recording the reactions and comparing the data with reactions made with the actual murder weapon.
Our two main suspects were found with calcium chloride, Tammy Tangerine with a molarity of 0.10 m and Professor Plum with a molarity of 0.20 m.
We then mixed 5 milliliters of the murder weapon with 11 milliliters of calcium chloride.
Allow them to stir for 2 minutes and filter them, allowing the precipitate to lay on the filter and the liquid to run through.
After drying the filter, we found the mass of the precipitate to be 0.12 grams by weighing it on a scale.
Through stoichiometry, we converted from 0.12 grams of the precipitate to find the moles of the murder weapon.
The moles of the murder weapon were 0.0012, which we then plugged into the molarity equation and found out that the murder weapon, calcium chloride, has a molarity of 0.24.
By using the percent error equation, theoretical minus the accepted value divided by theoretical times 100 equaling 20%. With our percent error being as low as 20%, we were able to accuse Professor Plum with this murder.
After all, Mr. Boddy seemed to always clash with Mr. Plum in his work.
He was often even made responsible for broken glassware and rarely cleaned up after his experiments.